Makana mabaya kubola mkwanga mkuseri tabangela kula matiba ya lafunga mabenga bisita n'utola kula mkutu mkamba banga ndunge maganda mamwanga nemeri mivuga mayiga madia takolo zeri topeza wonoka masangi mivugo kwa basala atalima ngometse tabipoziti kuende amama tiyako na mambu upiere matinguna kwenere ntunda kwa ngola kwa ngoma biyelo lwalu basebo lukakini nduli na bisafu wali kuba yansombi kabambukeno kwa labu beleti matani mama kumfuna bamama ni baba kwezela batata ni baba tikita mama tela kuna luolo bika kondibila kulembo mfulumamba ngurianza kinzenza mbanza banga kinkambu mbanza mputi ubeleti bata mungo yomfu mulemba kuna lufunga ndumbani zazi tempoka nkutumbala ni nyami patana bala ni baba da musuka wilani jari ya kasa kimpenga kimkanda ningenge yanga mbanza mbodila msengo kimanika kingwala mwengo ndaba mkieme tona to salasani ya inge nakuna ni ya ikobata salasenza pe itudidye tutamano ya bwana ngambulu kitari ngoli balu koko lupebe sisulu mkabi vunguta munswele mafushima ngungu pasa kilubi ngandu kutswa indamba ngwedi getata mugani ambe mabulajeri pasa ndudi adinene ukwiza buyotajo ntangu ni tangu bukota kubia totale keikwake malengo kari mayina manzaza mulenda singa banana lupitu kumalori malaba mankami chinkanda mankaba makongo yongo mwalumba nzambembe gati ndubu yatituka zilabu zazibama mazandu mumakangama namayatapita mafutana katika po ekata atatokotolo bansushi ngavu ili faramasiku kilishusumbua izani wetembezele masenosola yaye maseno wisabake kongolieno yaye yakubama oka nzungi ntimba mowati ndunga majamini na mkika masenosola yaye maseno wisabake kongolieno yaye yakubama yakuyatata lumu luwala matimu mamvuri ngele bimenko ikola gata shikama taluya wasatu sisa yanga bukongo bibwaki mbalala mazi kimbeti ubele tankele kenata siasya ubele tamalanda mamansulu kunkotala nsila mamba ambe ngura mkutumbala ubele makwanza nganga lungolokelekele lukaka yaka kubansa kitu muna madama lata tabibimbu germain tapepa na tabimbeni pebatekela menga bena otiba bari boko belanka tintomba manyaga nakumando meje to nitambongwe walanda woni tamalonga malata mete lumomba zankolo mbanza sanda kanga zaka mbanza nganga makusumbo zani samba pala chiyinga ni woni tankombo malata mete siazi matetsa mama lono na luemo masese mete ketabatsimba na beba biza bikumwandre mwendo koko kimpanzu kuka fota na mangole malela ndo kichimpilansa kamilu nitabiza chilandi nitalu mwangu luingi kana fulinga sese diabadioka wanda mankondi butuka ni memba lumau yangwinda yama ndwele na inda muzana sakameso na munguku Mosimbieri Kingoma ni Samba Ndongo Kachumba na Kalupasi Mbaba Yingana Nkamambanga na Mpeo Matakanga Mibaku Bingonga Munzenze Chikakasani Kukampasi Kalupienge Magatamete Chinkala Yokama Matumbu Ntonkama Mbamu Manyeton Somoni Tamundongo Chilani ni makumbu mambombo Lukami Roma Minangela Luomo Nankankata Nganga Kovo Matula Mantakala ni tatu watu Koja Matieku Wandanda Magatamete Kindamba Vinta Pangala Kimbana Mambio Mayama Kisuka Luweto Nita Congo Namusitwe Yaya Magatamete Yaya Magatamete Karange Kyo Emanga Lisu Ike Bangese Kingele Ike Inga Fumato Sokoto Kiti Uoga Malie Ngamikole Inoni Palesa Mwambele Fini Silabu Jisaluka Maatana Mazandu Mama Kutu Kumbune
No malo croix, no wawalonga, no wawalonga, yenda walonga, muntangu yong kabawila zabiko. Zambi wavova kwano wayenda longa bantu babe Bantu buba fovele baseyi nzambiko Baja banwa bakwela kwelisa Uketi kwena mulonga bantu bo Katukira katuseyi nzambiko Muntangu yo Ukake na mulonga bantu Katukila katuzeyi nzambe Yadi kya kingi Monasi ya bunga zanza Tuvilu la majela tangu kaimani Batu bame No wawalonga Henda walonga No wawalonga Henda walonga Tangu ifweni Tuvilu la majela meno walonga Muntangu yo Kabawila zabiko Zambi wavova kwano wayenda longa bantu babe Batu buba fovele baseyi nzabiko Bachaba nwa bakwela kwelisa Unavula za ndoro bunza iza toma tumobwa Batu baisa konkoti la mva mwelo nowa Tuzebo la nowa What to say, Budilla? You know what to say, Budilla? You know what to say, Budilla? You know what to say, Budilla? No one know. You know what to say, Budilla? You know what to say, I know what to say, Budilla? You know what to say, Budilla? Say Budilla, you know what to say, Budilla? 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 body la zaza noa, say 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 body la zaza noa, zaza noa, zaza noa, zaza noa. Zaza Noa, 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 Simulina Zaza Noa, Simulina Zaza Noa, Simulina Zaza Noa, Beto tu bungare, Beto tu bungare, Beto tu bungare, Beto tu bungare, Simulina.
Hello, welcome. Kikongo. Kikongo is a language spoken is a language of ancient Congo Kingdom. It is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele vamos kututala una kwendu kundako tolongoka ndinga eto ndinga Kikongo. Nana vomu Kiingereza tulongoka kansile na kwadi soneka muna Kikongo tusita saula. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Ngizambote tutondele. Tutondele. Kiambote Tata David. Thank you very much for being resilient. Luzinda Lalo. Keep going. The starting's fine, but keep going. The most important thing. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. Well, I'm going to start with Papa Tata Alain. I think Nengwa Tadi, I remember we did last time. Greetings. I'm going to say hello in Kikongo, of course, to each one. Then you will reply in Kikongo as well. Nengwa Tadi, your mic is on mute, I think. Mm. Oh, thank you.
I muted it now.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Tata Alain. Kiambote.
Kiambote Mbuta Mpanzu,
Lunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta, Tunama Vimpi Tutondele.
Thank you very much. Nengwa Tadiwa. Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Lunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Tutondele. Thank you. Tata David. Kiambote.
Kiambote Tata Mpanzu.
Lunama Vimpi, eh?
Ingeta Tunama Vimpi Tutondele.
Tutondele. Oh, well done. Oh. I'm impressed. That's good. You've done well. Thank you very much. Okay. We're going to a lesson today. This is us in England, no? It's coming home. Big match. Yeah. Okay. Let me just try to let me share my screen. Yes. Okay, Tatale. I need your help. You can read
Sure.
for us. We're going back to our old good habits.
All right, Congo language course, Malongi Makongo Kizumbu, by Professor Hazel Carter and Reverend João Makondekwa.
Makondekwa.
Oh, Makondekwa.
Mm.
Keep going.
Please.
Joanne Hazel Carter, February 22, 1928 to August 3rd, 2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tones Phrases in Congo, Kikongo Language, African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutondele Tatale. Please, can you carry on, please, Tatale?
Sure. The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Yes. This is the last now.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Service Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Yes. The last one, Tatale. Thank you.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
Oh, this is it. This is how this video Kikongo, you know. Let me just give you one example. Keep this in mind, yeah. Kikongo is a tonal language, different tones distinguish different meanings. Let me just do something. When I say, yeah, same word, same way. When I say yamonao, listen carefully. Yeah? Yamonao, it is past. Yamonao. Brother David, did you get that? Brother David. The tone, that's the tone. You write the same way. Yamonao. Yamonao. Listen to the pitch. Yamonao. Yamonao. Mona, to see. Wo, a thing, something, yeah. It. Yamonao. I did see it. Yamonao. Let me see it.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's very important to exercise your hearing, you know. Yamonao. Yamonao. I did see it. I saw it. Yamonao. Ah, let me see it. Can I see it?
Mhm.
Yeah, thank you very much. Let me just. Okay, we see it there. Yeah. Let me bring it back. Yes. Okay, lesson 4, section 6. Mm-hmm. Yes, Tata Davidi. David and Kikongo.
Sure.
Yes.
Jambote. Kiwaokoe. It's good, isn't it? Ingita. Jambote beni. Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. Diambote Kewakwe Ingeta. Diambote Beni. Thank you very much, Tata David. Kewakwe. Just ignore the other. Just leave one A. I mean, take one A. All this is A. Kewakwe.
Kiwaokoe.
It sounds like the Kewakwe. Thank you. Ngotadiwa.
Dialudi.
Well done.
Kewaukwe.
Mm.
It's true, isn't it? Ingeta. Dialudi. Ben. Oh, yes, it's very true.
Tutonde. You write this way. Ignore when reading. Just ignore the you. You don't need to pronounce the you. Thank you. Tata Allen, please.
Diafim Peter
Jumping Peter, yes.
Kewaukwe.
Mm.
It's strange, isn't it? Ingeta. Diafim
Pin Peter Ben.
Peter Ben.
Ben. Thank you.
Benny. Oh yes, it's very strange.
Tata David.
Mhm. Jasikila. Kiwaokoe.
Jasikila.
Jasikila. Kiwaokoe. It's correct, isn't it? Ingita. Jasikila beni. It's very correct.
Tutondele. Nengwatadiwa.
Diakizoa.
Let me try to help here. Diakizoa. Iwakwe.
Diakizoa. Kewaukwe. Ingeta. Diakizoa.
Diakizoa Beni.
Ben.
Thank you. Tata Allen. Yangangu.
Diangangu Kewaukwe. Ingeta. Diangangu Benny.
Thank you. Can you do it again? Ignore the you. We write this way, but you just ignore when we're reading. Just take into account A. Just ignore you. Jangangu Kewakwe. Kewaukwe. It's fun, but reading you can just ignore the you.
Diangangu Kewakwe.
Well done.
Ingeta. Diangangu Benny.
Thank you. Remember long vowel. Jangangu Beni. Tutondele. Tata David. Yaluvunu.
Jaluvunu. Kiwaokoe. It's untrue, isn't it? Ingita. Jalvunu beni.
Yaluvunu Beni. Can you tell it, David?
It should be vunu. Jaluvunu beni. It's very untrue.
Tutondele. Nengwatadiwa.
Diankenda. Diankenda. Kewaukwe. Ingeta. Diankenda Ben.
Diankenda Beni. Tutondele. Tata Allen.
Okay. Kwanda Kwakoe.
Kwanda.
Kwanda Kwakoe. Ingeta. Kwanda Beni.
Kwanda Beni. Tutondele. Tata David.
Kwankufi.
Kwankufi.
Kwankufi Kiwaokoe. It's close, near, isn't it? Ingita. Kwankufi beni.
Ingeta. Tutondele. We're done for today. Any questions?
One of the earlier cards that you put up on the screen, the accent came in a place I wasn't expecting. Maybe the third one. Can you go back a little?
Okay.
Let's see. Jaludi, maybe the one before that.
Diambote, Dialudi, Diampin Peter.
Jasiki Labeni.
Was it this one?
No. Yeah, I wish I had flagged it at the moment. Oh, maybe it's this one.
Diakizoa.
Because it's Yakizoa. I was just wondering why the accent is on that next to last syllable.
Good question. Yeah, because here, let me try to. We need to compare it here. Yeah, Sikila. Here, it sounds like a long vowel, not long vowel. Diakizoa. The first syllable. Diasikila. Diakizoa. That's a bit. That's a good two accents. Yeah, this one. So you're talking about this one, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So is the tone different for the person asking the question and the person answering? Because on the answer, it's the same word but with different accents.
Right. Good question, Alan. I wondered about that too.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. Diakizoa, kewakwe, ingeta. Diakizoa. This is the last accent here. Yeah. Diakizoa ben. Yes, you're right.
Okay, so the tone is different on the answer.
Slightly, yeah, just a bit, yeah. Diakizoa, kewakwe, ingeta. Diakizoa ben. Here you fly, you are taking off, and this second line you are landing. Diakizoa, kewakwe, diakizoa beni. Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Yes. Okay.
Subtle.
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh no, I was just saying, yeah, the tonal difference sounds very subtle to me. But
yeah, you're right. Hidden, yeah. Make sure you listen carefully. Nengwa, Tadiwa, any questions?
No.
Okay, next time numbers, yeah?
Okay.
Go back to numbers. Tutondele. Okay, I'm staying. You are going, Nengwa, Tadiwa?
Nusa Kiambote.
Oh, tutondele. This we call Makonzo, yeah? We said we do this Makonzo. Say thank you, yeah? Okay, thank you very much. See you next Sunday. Gwenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Nenda
Thank you.
Kiambote.
Thank you,
Nusa
bye.
Kiambote.
Thank you, bye.